Can you see this? This is written Zabar. What written there?
Zabar.
And can you see there is one line?
Yeah.
Imagine this line is a letter. Okay? This line is
Mm-hmm.
a letter. Like this one alif, ba, ta, sa. Okay? This top line is like a letter. Is that clear?
Mm-hmm.
And top of the line there is one small line like a stick, like a slash. Can you see this? Like this? Can you see this one?
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, this is called Zabar. What is this called?
Zabar.
Yeah, in a books. Can you see in this line Zabar anywhere?
No.
This one is Zabar sign. What is this sign called?
Zabar sign.
Zabar. Can you see here? Same sign?
Yes.
Yeah, then read Alif and this sign Alif Zabar.
Alif Zabar.
MashaAllah. Now this one please.
Alif Ba.
And this letter Ba
Zala.
Zabar.
Zal.
Please say Zabar.
Zabar.
Stand up please. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Sit down. You are genius, mashallah. Okay, look it please. So read please like this. Okay, mashallah, mashallah. Okay, stop please. Don't move. Stop please. Stop. Stop, stop, stop. Thank you. So read Alif Zabar,
Alif Zabar.
Ba Zabar.
Ba
Now you
Zabar.
are teacher. You have to teach me this letter. Are you able to teach? Read please.
Ta.
And what is this sign? Please explain.
Zabar.
Oh, so how I have to read? I will follow you.
Ta.
Ta, Zabar,
Ta. Zabar.
Ta, Zabar. Okay, like
Sin.
this. Please teach me
Zabar.
this one.
Ta. Ta.
Sa,
Ta. Ta. Sa.
Zabar.
Ta. Ta. Zabar.
Oh,
Ta.
Sa,
Zabar.
Zabar. Okay, this one please.
Jim Zabar.
Jim, Zabar. Okay, this one please teach me.
Ha Zabar.
This one please.
Ha Zabar.
Wow, this one please.
Dal Zabar.
Thank you. This one.
Dal Zabar.
Oh, wow.
Ra Zabar.
Amazing.
Za Zabar. Sin Zabar. Shin Zabar. Swad Zabar.
You are genius. Really genius. Say Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah. You know now sound. What is this sound? Sign. Sound inshallah. We will try. But this sign name is Zabar, right?
Yeah.
Tomorrow inshallah I will explain what is the sound of Zabar. Okay?
Mhm.
Whenever we will see Zabar top of any letter, so automatically there will become a sound. I will explain tomorrow. Okay? And one more
Mhm.
thing, please don't forget that Zabar will come all the time up. Where?
Come all the way up.
Up. Okay? You can discuss with mommy, with baba. Okay, this one you have to memorize. I will send this short page. Only this thing, okay? Just I must saw the video. Must look, okay? See the video. So Alif Zabar, Ba Zabar. Like this you will read all the letters. Every letter has Zabar and Zabar will come all the time up or down.
Up or
Up.
down.
Up. Zabar will come all the time
Up or
up.
down.
Only up, not down. If you see down, same thing. Look, there is down, right? Bottom. But this is another sign, not Zabar. Zabar will come up. This is Zabar. Zabar's brother. This side
Mm-hmm.
comes down. So Zabar will come up. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.